Welcome to our channel. Today's topic logarithms. If a power x is equal to n, that implies x is equal to log n to the base a. Some examples: exponential form to logarithmic forms. On the screen there are 4 examples given. These are the properties of logarithms. Some properties are given on the screen. From 10th class, real numbers, logarithms is the part of real numbers. If a power x is equal to n, that is exponential form, then x is equal to log n to the base a. Log n to the base a. This is logarithmic notation. Here a and n are both are positive, and x is the variable, and a not equal to 1. A power x is equal to n, then x is equal to log n to the base a. So logarithmic form and exponential form. First, some examples. 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 cube 8 is equal to 8. This is exponential form. Write logarithmic. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. For example, 3 power 4 is equal to 81. That is log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. For suppose 4 square is equal to 16. This is logarithmic. How to write? Log 16 to the base 4 is equal to 2. So exponential form to logarithmic form. So in logarithms we have some formulas. Important formulas are there. That is log xy to the base a. That is write as log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Next, log x by y to the base a is write as log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Next, log x to the power of n to the base a, that is n log x to the base a, and log a to the base a. Here log a to the base a value is 1, and log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Log 1 value is 0 for. Next, log a to the base b is write as 1 by log b to the base a. Next, a to the power of log n to the base a is equal to n. Logarithms totally it's depend on exponential formulas. Next, more one is log a by log b. That is write as log a to the base b. Okay, these are formulas. These formulas are more helpful to do sums. So few sums we have to discuss. Find the value of log 5 25 to the base 25. Let us take some x. Log 5 to the base 25 value we have to find. Let us take denote with some one variable is equal to x. So write first exponential form. 25 power x is equal to 5. So 25 is write as 5 square whole power x is equal to 5. So 5 power 2x a power m whole power n. Now 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, more one question, log 1 by 16 to the base 2. This value we need to find. Let us take some x or y, your wish. 2 power x is equal to 1 by 16. 2 power x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 4. 1 by a power n, how to write? A power minus n. So like the 2 power minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. This is the value of log 1 by 16. Log 1 by 16. Next, log 1. For suppose log 1 to the base 7. Let us take some x. 7 power x is equal to 1. Exponential form this is. Okay, 1. How can write? Anything power 0 value is 1. So 7 power 0 is also 1. Here 5 power x, 5 power 0. 10 power x, 10 power 0. So x is equal to 0. Log 1 value is 0. Already we know. Next, log 0.001 to the base 10. Here this value how to find? Let us take some x. So 10 power x is equal to 0.001. So 10 power x. This is decimal form. Write in fraction form. 1000 will get. Point after 3 digits. So 3 zeros. Here 1 by 10 cube. So 10 power x is equal to, this is in numerator 10 power minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. Next, more one question. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. when you see this is in the form of a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, a power m plus n, that is a power m into a power n. So 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. 2 square value 4. Here this total cancel according to a power log n to the base a formula is equal to n. So with the formula here value 3. 4 3 is 12. Not only this, you have to 5 power 3 power anything is given, a power m plus n, a power m into a power n, 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. That value 3. 4 3 is 12 will get. Okay. Next, so more logarithms they will give. We have to write in single logarithm. Write in single logarithm. How to write? For suppose 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3. This is the question. How to write in single logarithm? Here 3 logarithms are there. We have to write in single logarithm. This is in the form of, we have formula n log x to the power of n. So this is write as log 5 square. 2 came here. Similarly log 9 power 1 by 2 minus log 3. Okay, log 5 square value 25. Root 9. 9 power 1 by 2 means root 9. Log root 9 minus log 3. Okay, next. Log 25 plus log root 9 value. Root 9 value is 3. Here log minus 3 plus log minus log 3 cancel. Finally we write in single logarithm. There are 3 logarithms are given. With the help of the formulas we can simplify in single logarithm. If x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, then show that 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. If part means that is given part. So x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. In the question here plus is given, add 2xy plus 2xy. If here minus, add minus 2xy. Here add 2xy on both sides. So x square plus y square plus 2xy. Not only one side, on both sides we have to add. Here it is x plus y whole square. Here 25 plus 2, 27xy. Now apply logarithm. Apply log on both sides. So log x plus y whole square is equal to log 27xy. Okay, now here 2 log x plus y according to the formula log x power n formula. Here log xy is write as log x plus log y. Okay, 2 log x plus y. 27 is write as 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Okay, 2 log x plus y is write as, here 3 came front, 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Similarly we have to solve so many questions in logarithms. So here plus is there, so plus 2xy is added. If minus is there, minus 2xy you can add after that logarithm. Here plus 2xy is added because in that question plus is there. 2 log x plus y. If 2 log minus x minus y means minus 2xy is added. If 2 power x 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000, then find 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here first given, this is the given. So first you can find 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. That you can take first. So 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000. Similarly 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Here 2 exponential forms. Now first logarithmic form, x is equal to log 1000 to the base 2.3. Here y is equal to log 1000 to the base 0.23. If you can take 10,000 also same. Now we need 1 by x. So 1 by, on both sides write 1 by log 1000 to the base 2.3. Here also 1 by y. 1 by log 1000 to the base 0.23. Now 1 by x is equal to, according to the formula, these two interchanges. Log 2.3 to the base 1000. Here 1 by y. Log 0.23 to the base 10,000. Sorry, 1000. Now we need 1 by x minus 1 by y. So 1 by x value log 2.3 to the base 1000 minus log 0.23 to the base 1000. Here log x minus log y formula. Log x minus log y formula is log x by y. Okay, here if you want to then write formula. After that, log 2.3 by 0.23. Here it is write as 23 by 10 by 23 by 100. Decimal form converted into fraction form. Now log 23 by 10 into reciprocal 100 by 23. Here 23 cancel, 0 0 will be cancelled. So what you got? Log 10 to the base 1000. Let us take some x. So first I said no, how to find a value. This is 1000 power x is equal to 10. 1000 is right as 10 cube. Power x is equal to 10 power 1. 10 power 3x is equal to 10 to the power of 1. 3x is equal to 1. Now x is equal to 1 by 3. This is the value. 1 by x minus 1 by y. So already xy is there now. So that's why if you can take not only x, some k or p, or which, for suppose you can take p. Here power p will get not only x. If you confuse, then you can take p. You don't worry. Otherwise in before x is there, no x also you can take. So finally 1 by x minus 1 by y value, what you got? 1 by 3. Here 1000, so 3 zeros 1 by 3. For suppose 4 zeros, 1 by 4 will get. So this is the question. Next, okay, here find if log x plus y by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, find x by y plus y by x. This is the given part. First in bracket log x plus log y. 1 by 2 log x plus log y, log xy. Here m log x, here m 1 by 2, send here. Log xy power 1 by 2. But whole power 1 by 2 means that is root xy. So this is totally log x plus y by 5. Remove logarithm on both sides. Now what you got? X plus y by 5 is equal to root xy. How to remove square root? Squaring on both sides. So that is x plus y by 5 whole square is right as root xy whole square. Here square root square cancel. Now x plus y whole square by 5 square 25. That don't forget. Now x plus y whole square 25 center side 25xy. Here what you left? X plus y whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab form, plus 2xy center right side. X square plus y square is equal to 25xy minus 2xy. That will get 23xy. X square plus y square. Now x square plus y square by xy is equal to 23. Okay, now x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 23. 1x cancel x by y. 1y cancel y by x is equal to 23. This is the answer. So first onwards once observe. Log x plus log y, log xy. Here 1 by 2 send here, power will get, that is root. Remove log. So root xy, squaring on both sides because removing square root. Whole square applies, square root square cancel xy. Here 5 square value 25, 25xy. Here x plus y whole square, a plus b whole square formula. 2xy and right side minus. So 23xy. Here xy is ending, here xy is ending left side by each term by x cancel, y cancel. Here 23 got it. Here 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. Then find x. So apply log on both sides. So log 2 power x plus 1 is equal to log 3 power 1 minus x. Here x plus 1 came friend. X plus 1 into log 2 is equal to 1 minus x into log 3. Now x log 2 plus 1 log 2. 1 log 3 minus x log 3. Here x log 3, x terms take one side, x log 2 plus x log 3. Here log 3, here plus log 2 and here minus log 2. On both, here total these two terms, x take common, log 2 plus log 3 is equal to log 3 minus log 2. Now we need x. So anyway, first of all, here log 2 plus log 3, log x plus log y formula, 2 3s are 6. Here log x minus log y, log x by y, so log 3 by 2. Now x we need, so log 3 by 2 by log 6. So this is the value of log x. So see here, 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. Find x. So on both sides first apply log. After that here formula is there now. Here formula. So second step we have to write formula here. Log x to the power of m, that is m log x. Since we have to write formula. Next x plus 1 came friend, log 2, 1 minus x log 3. So finally step by step we'll do, at the end we'll get. So this is logarithms. So these logarithms are very important from 10th class. So we will get 1 mark question, 2 marks question and 4 marks question maximum. So logarithms is a separate topic, but real numbers is added. In real numbers, logarithms is a part of mathematics. Okay, so logarithms is very easy. You should do follow these steps. If anything else, you should comment on the box. So this channel is for 10th class students, only for the 10th class students. This channel is very helpful. If any comments, you should write on the comment box and share the link to your friends. Thank you.